Alright guys, just want to give you a quick video of the exterior, just a full walkabout. Stone chimney. One of the good things I see regarding that is I didn't see anything inside, evidence of leakage or anything along those lines. Got a crawl space access underneath here. We're on a pier-based construction with some stone wall and then also some cinder block. So it's exposed underneath. There's a very minimal vapor barrier down there and quite a bit of loose insulation. So you're going to be combating moisture, especially considering that the house is not centrally cooled or conditioned. So we're going to have some moisture coming up from the crawl. So that would be something to look into, would be a full wrapped crawl space area. And perhaps redoing the insulation because it looks to be a bit in tatters. More than likely some varmints have been enjoying that area in the wintertime. Steps here, a little sketchy. Going up to the solar panels. Got a water access point up here, as well as some wiring coming out. That may be feeding down to the shed for the solar panels. These look nicely put in, concrete piers, aluminum frame, supports. Everything looks pretty well set up there. Here's our hot tub. It would be ideal if they'd be willing to part with that. Some of that fascia board is in a little bit of rough shape. I see a couple spots that are rotted and need to be replaced. Not a major deal, but something to address. Blueberry bushes here. Oh, I just spotted this. Got a gate access for some trails going up into the top portion of the property. It is very steep once we get up into that back side of the property. So it looks like they intentionally built down here because it was the easiest spot to access and build on. Got some blueberry bushes over here being protected from the birds with all this netting. Over here we have the wellhead as well as the compost bin. So this is and your dryer, which is also electric. Likely your biggest draw for power. So when that well pump kicks on, it runs 240 volt, and so that's a pretty big power drain on your solar system. And the more I look at it, I don't know if this is connected. I really don't think this is connected to the grid. It looks to be completely disconnected on the power side of things. Those lower lines are phone, and there's no other power connected. So in the listing it says when the grid goes down, but I don't think we're connected to the grid at all. And that is your complete exterior walkabout.